Hello students, in this part we will study about the platyhelminths. Platyhelminths, plat means flat, helminth is worms. Yani these worms are flat, dorso-ventrally flat body. Dorsal means dorsal part, upper part is known as dorsal and lower part is known as ventral. There are 20,000 species of platyhelminths present. These are dorso-ventrally flat bodies animals. Therefore, they are also known as flatworm. Dorsal upper part is known as dorsal and lower part is known as ventral. Upper part is dorsal and the lower part is ventral. Clear? Now, what are the features? What are the features on which they are categorized into different categories? First one is habitat. These animals' maximums are endoparasite, means they live in the host cell and get the nutrition from the host. These are endoparasites. They are found inside the body of animals and get nutrients from host. Fasciola, a liver fluid which is found in the liver and the gallbladder ducts in human being. For example, fasciola क्या बोलते हैं? Liver fluid which is found in liver or gallbladder duct. मैक्सिमम एंडोपारासाइट्स है, कुछ ऐसे भी हैं जो फ्रेश वाटर के अंदर, यानी दे आर एक्वाटिक मेराइन में भी होते हैं, फ्रेश वाटर में. फ्रेश वाटर के एग्जांपल आप दे सकते हैं प्लेनेरिया. सम आर एक्वाटिक मेराइन as well as fresh water. Planaria, दुबेसिया भी बोलते हैं, is a fresh water organism. The next one is level of organization. These are the first organisms which reach to the organ system. They are the first animals which have organ level. Means a group of tissue which form the organ. So these organisms are the organ level body of organism. Germ cell. the germ cell is the germ cell is covered with the three layers: ectoderm, outside ectoderm, inside endoderm, and the middle mesoderm. The germ cell of these organisms are covered with three layers: ecto, outer, meso, middle, and endoderm. As these organisms contain three layers, therefore coelyms may present or not. Then next part is coelom. As these organisms contain mesoderm, so the cavity present or not show इन मेसोडर्म, क्योंकि कैविटी है या नहीं है वो तो कहाँ होती है, मेसोडर्म के अंदर, इसके अंदर मेसोडर्म है लेकिन इसमें कैविटी नहीं होती, इसलिए ये एसिलोमेट होती है. These organisms do not contain cavity, therefore they are acoelomate. Body symmetry. Body symmetry. Bilateral symmetry. It means both left and right part, if we cut the organism through the center, both left and right part are, both the halves are equal. So bilateral symmetry. They are bilateral symmetry. Symmetric animals या organisms. Both the halves, if we cut the animals from the center, both the halves are equal. Left and right, both the parts are equal. So body symmetry is bilateral symmetry. Digestive system. These organisms have only single openings which act as mouth and anus. Therefore, incomplete digestion can take place. Incomplete digestion. You can write all the features. What is incomplete digestion? These organisms contain only single mouth, single opening, which act as mouth as well as anus. So, incomplete digestion can take place. Special body feature. Special body feature. इनकी बॉडी के अंदर ऐसा स्पेशल बॉडी फीचर क्या है? पहली बात तो दीज आर द फ्लैट बॉडीज, प्लेटफॉर्म के नाम से भी जानते हैं, डोर्सो वेंट्रली फ्लैट होती है. सेकेंडली, इनके स्पेशल हुक एंड सकर, दो स्पेशल ऐसे ऑर्गन होते हैं These are the hook and this one is sucker. इसमें आप लिखेंगे स्पेशल बॉडी फीचर के अंदर these are dorso ventrally contain special feature first one is hook. It is the structure which adhesive which provide the adhesion force so that they can stick at the inner layer of the host. Adhesive nature. Therefore, they stick चिपक जाते हैं to the inner layer of the host body. जिस ऑर्गेनिज्म के अंदर रहते हैं उसके इंनर बॉडी के साथ ये चिपक जाते हैं. काम करते हैं ये शक्कर. न्यूट्रिशन लेते हैं. न्यूट्रिशन क्या ब्लड के रूप में लेते हैं तो ये शक्कर सक्शन करने का काम करते हैं. शक्कर with the help of sucker, these organisms suck the blood. आप कह सकते हैं take the food from the host. Clear? Next one is there are no special circulatory, excretory, system. एक्सक्रीशन कैन टेक प्लेस यानी एक्सक्रीशन यूनिट जो इसमें होती हैं वो स्पेशल सेल होती है जिनको बोलते हैं प्लेन सेल. द एक्सक्रीशन टेक प्लेस इन दीज ऑर्गेनिजम्स विद द हेल्प ऑफ special flame cell. What are the excretory unit in platyhelminthes? Flame cells. Nervous system present in whole body, but not definitely. इनकी पूरी बॉडी के अंदर नर्वस सिस्टम कंसिस्ट होता है. थ्री टाइप्स का नर्वस सिस्टम: लॉन्गिट्यूडनल, ट्रांसवर्सली एंड लैटरल. दिस इज द लॉन्गिट्यूडनल नर्वस सिस्टम. ब्रेन, longitudinal nervous system. Transverse is ladder like, मतलब सीढ़ी होती है, सीढ़ी की भांति ट्रांसवर्सली इसमें इस प्रकार से स्कैटर्ड होता है. इसके लैडर नर्वस सिस्टम भी कहते हैं. इज द ट्रांसवर्स. ट्रांसवर्स को क्या बोलते हैं? लैडर लाइक नर्वस सिस्टम. एंड थर्ड वन इज लैटरल. द नर्वस सिस्टम इज स्कैटर्ड ऑल ओवर द होल बॉडी, ऑल ओवर द बॉडी. दिस इज द लैटरल नर्वस सिस्टम. लैटरल नर्वस सिस्टम. क्लियर? नेक्स्ट इज रिप्रोडक्शन. Reproduction. Reproduction is mostly organism by sexual mode. They are hermaphrodite. What is hermaphrodite? Bisexual organ. Male produce sperm and female produce ovum. So the mode of reproduction is mostly organism is sexually, but in some organism asexually mode can also take place. For example, planaria, regeneration. But a few, just as planaria, asexual mode can take place. Asexual कौन सा? Regeneration. These organisms have the ability to modify in new organism by their small pieces. So this is called regeneration. Planaria इसको क्या कह सकते हैं? Dugacia. Fertilization. Internal fertilization can take place. Internal fertilization means fertilization can take place inside the body. Development. Indirect. It means the offspring produced that not resemble to its parents. So indirect development can take place. For example, टीनिया, आप इसको टेप वॉर्म भी बोल सकते हैं, टेप वॉर्म, फेसियोला, इसको लीवर फ्लू, एंड डुगेसिया, इसको प्लेनेरिया भी बोल सकते हैं. These are the example of platyhelminths.